The creator of this incredible content earned approximately $1,269 this month, just by making AI woodworking tool videos. No camera, no face, just AI. Don't let the income seem low. This content is only 1 month old. In this video, I'm teaching you how to produce this content in high quality and giving you the prompt for free. But first, let's go to the Google Gemini website. I created a special Gemini workflow for you for this content. To start this workflow, we type "start" in the chat and send it. The bot will ask us questions to learn the details of this content and give us the most accurate result. We answer these questions in detail and completely based on our preferences. After answering, it will give us one image generation prompt for the first scene of the video and one video prompt to convert that image into a video. To access this gem workflow and also the raw master prompt for free, you can write prompt in the comments. After receiving our prompts completely, we copy our first image prompt and go to the OpenArt website to start production. After entering the OpenArt website, we click on the Create Image tool in the left menu. In the panel that appears, we first select Nano Banana 2 as our image production model at the top, then paste the prompt we copied into the image prompt section right below, and after setting the output settings at the very bottom to 9:16 vertical format and 1K resolution, we click the Generate button and wait for the image to be created. The generated image will look like this. We save it and move on to the video production stage. At this stage, we first go back to Gemini and copy our video prompt, then return to the OpenArt website again. We click on the Frame to Video tool in the side menu and select Google OmniFast as our video production model at the top, the best choice for videos with scene transitions. After selecting our model, we drag and drop the first image scene we produced into the image upload area right below, then paste the video prompt we just copied into the video prompt section, set the video output settings to 9:16 vertical format, and the number of scenes we selected during the prompt production stage, which I set to 7 seconds, and click the Generate button to produce our video. I recommend a 10-second video duration for this content. You can also choose different production models and resolution options based on your budget throughout the production process. Of course, most importantly, make sure to create original and effort-driven content in line with YouTube's strict policies on this type of content. Otherwise, keep in mind that you may not be able to sustain your presence on YouTube for long. Here is what our finished video looks like. If you want to improve your content production and editing skills, join our free communities via the link in the description. There you can connect with like-minded creators, and together we can build the largest content creation community in the world. If you enjoyed the content, leave a like. It means a lot to us. Drop your content requests and suggestions in the comments. We read every single one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.